Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connection on the POCO M8. So if you feel like your Wi-Fi has been running a little slowly lately on the POCO M8, here are a few tips to help fix that. Now the first one, the most simple one, would be just simply trying to turn on and off the Wi-Fi on your phone, and then try to turn on and off the Wi-Fi on the router. So just come up to the router, unplug it and plug it back in, and check if that helped anything. So the next step would be to just go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and just forget the network. So we're going to select the network we're currently connected to, and just forget the network. So disconnect from it, and then connect to it again by entering the password once again. So just do that and see if that also helps. Now the next thing that you could try is to reset the Wi-Fi settings of the phone. So there's another feature. If we go to settings, tap on more connectivity options, and then scroll down to reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. Here we can reset the network settings. So tap on Wi-Fi, and then tap on the little icon on the bottom, and then type in the password. And then it's going to ask if you actually want to reset it. So confirm. And now your network, as you can see, get a notification your networks have been reset. And if you check Wi-Fi, all of the networks are going to be forgotten, and every single network setting is going to be reset. So just connect to your Wi-Fi again, and check if that helped. And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.